Hey everyone, so I'm making this video to send to Nest because I have a complaint about their new cameras. So I have a bunch of drop cams and they're getting rid of the drop cams and not going to support it anymore, so Google sent out some Gen 2 Nestcam indoor ones that they sent me for free. And with the Gen 2s, you have to use Google Home to access your cameras because the Nest app itself does not work with those cameras because they're trying to shift away from that to using Google Home. So my complaint was about recording. I'm paying the Nest Aware. I pay like $120 a year to get my recordings. It records, I think, 60 days, and it's 24/7 for the last 10 days or so. So something I can do with like the Nest Nest software is I can go anywhere, any footage I have. So here, obviously, it notices motion or something, so it's selecting it down here. But if I go to something here where it doesn't necessarily notice any motion, but I want to record that and save it and output it, I can go to New Clip, and then there, it'll create a new clip of that area, right? So, which sounds great. And if I do it on the desktop on the computer, I even have more power because I can select exactly what I want to record from all that footage that's being recorded that I pay for, and that that gets placed on the cloud, right? So that's great. I can say save to a phone, and now I have that footage. Now that's with my older cameras, right? My Gen 1s. My Gen 2s, I got to use this app here, and let's say I go to that camera. So I go to, this is the Gen 2 camera. And here there's some footage, right? Now, this is the footage where it detects like some motion, great. But here, like, you know, there are motion because I can see trees moving, lights are going on, things like that, right? So let's say I notice something here I want to record. Then you got to go to these little 3 bars in the bottom right, these little hamburger bars, tap on that, and I can say history. And if I go to history, then in theory I should be able to just record that data, but it won't let me, right? Only where it actually notices motion. So I went back to areas here where it notices some motion, and if I tap on those, then here, I believe there's a way to save this. Let's see, if I go here, no, that's not it. Let me go back. No, let me go back here. Okay, save clip. So there, now I got the option to save clip. But I can only save clip if Nest notices any motion, right? If I go here, right, and I tap on this, I don't have a save clip. So I'm basically relying that it's technology, it's AI, whatever you want, machine learning, whatever the heck you want to call it, finds some motion so that I can save it. And I think that's wrong because I'm paying to have all my video footage, right? I'm paying $120 a year to have all my footage accessible so that I can go back and save whatever the heck I want. I can save it. And the new version is not letting me do that, right? So I'm really considering about going to Wise or some other camera that lets me do that because I feel like these new versions are trying to be smart. They're not that smart, and I can't save what I want. All right, so sending this to Nest so they understand my issue with this. Thanks for watching. Bye.